10 Habits for Financial Success. In today's fast-paced world, achieving financial freedom requires discipline, knowledge, and the right mindset. We'll explore these essential habits that can transform your financial life and help you achieve your goals. Number 1. Set clear financial goals. The first is setting clear financial goals. Without a clear direction, it's tasking to achieve financial success. Write down your goals, make them specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound smart. Break down large goals into smaller, manageable tasks. Regularly review and adjust your goals to stay on track. Number 2. Create and stick to a budget. The second is creating and sticking to a budget. A budget is a roadmap for your financial journey. Track your income and expenses to monitor where your money is going. Remember, a budget is not a restriction, but a tool for planning. Number 3. Pay yourself first. The third habit is paying yourself first. Treat saving like a bill, setting aside a portion of your income regularly. Start with a manageable percentage, like 10%, and increase it over time. Consistency is key to building wealth. Number 4. Live below your means. The fourth is living below your means. Financial success isn't about showing off. It's about building security and freedom. Make conscious spending decisions, prioritizing needs over wants, and allocate excess funds towards savings and investments. Number 5. Avoid bad debt. The fifth habit is avoiding bad debt. High-interest debt like credit cards and payday loans. Prioritize debt repayment, avoid new debt, and work towards becoming debt-free. Number 6. Invest early and consistently. The sixth is investing early and consistently. Investing can help your wealth grow over time. Start with small amounts and increase your investments gradually. Diversify your investments to minimize risk and maximize returns. Number 7. Keep learning about money. The seventh habit is keeping learning about money. Financial literacy is essential for making informed decisions. Read books, attend seminars, and follow reliable financial sources. Number 8. Build multiple streams of income. The eighth habit is building multiple streams of income. Diversify your income sources to reduce financial risk. Explore side hustles, freelancing, or investing in dividend-paying stocks. Create a safety net to ensure financial stability. Number 9. Surround yourself with the right people. The ninth habit is surrounding yourself with the right people. Your social circle can significantly impact your financial decisions. Network with like-minded individuals and seek mentors who can guide you. Number 10. Gratitude and generosity. The 10th habit is practicing gratitude and generosity. Focus on abundance rather than scarcity. Express gratitude for what you have and give back to your community. Generosity can bring a sense of fulfillment and create opportunities.